Hello, welcome to Sophia Designs Interiors. I'm Sophia, and today's presentation will be about color. From a young girl, I was fortunate enough to take private art lessons from a wonderful artist, and we were allowed to only buy 3 tubes of paint and white to make all the colors in the world. The 3 colors were the primary colors: yellow, blue, and red. And from those, we made all our colors for years and years. That's how we did it. Actually, I still do it to this day, like that. This is informing as a fine artist in my shows, my one-woman shows, my exhibitions, my teaching, and now my interior design business. It has informed me how to look at color in patterns, in proportions and scale, how to, when you mix the colors, the intensities, how much blue do you want in your green? So here we go. Blue and yellow make green. Red and yellow make orange. Blue and red make purple. There you get your secondary colors or your complementary colors. The complements are very important because they enhance the color that they're the opposite of. So putting a good plum next to a nice yellow will intensify the other. Here's a pattern of the complements of red and green close to each other. And you can see with their intensity and their bold patterns how that works. That's a beautiful bow pattern. We might put a little something graphic with it, a smaller scale. These are things that are great in design to work with. Picking up, there's a little blue in here as well. So when you look at complements, remember that they're not only important because they intensify each other, but in art, they're used to darken each other. In other words, if you wanted a darker yellow, you'd have purple. You wouldn't have black. We never were allowed to use black. If you want a darker red, you'd use green, and so on. Actually, all these colors can make, like I said, all blacks, browns, taupes, grays. It's fascinating, actually. So I hope you learned a little bit. Color is fascinating. Like I said, it affects our lives, and links will be provided. I'm so happy you discovered a little bit about color with me today. Look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.